Good day and welcome back to my channel. Apple is following the bandwagon of producing the foldable iPhone in future, maybe sometime in 2022 or 2023. Currently, Apple is testing two foldable iPhone designs at a Foxconn factory in Shenzen. Why the company is testing two types of foldable phones? Most probably they wanted to work it out on which way is long lasting to users. The first model would be a foldable based on two separate screens that resemble like Samsung Galaxy Fold, and on the other hand is the concave fold, which is similar to Samsung Galaxy Z Flip or Lenovo Moto Razr. As you are aware, Apple will not be the market leader of producing the foldable phone since Samsung unveiled the first Galaxy Fold in September 2019, which cost a whopping $2,000+. Even though Samsung is leaping ahead of their first foldable phone, there was a major flaw reported on the hardware issue due to the durability on the hinge that make the foldable phone unusable. Early reviewers face fully blackout screens, or one side of the screens remain white and the other half is blacked out, and some users are experiencing the bubble screen due to the screen protector. In order to avoid these issues, Apple is requesting Foxconn to perform folding tests more than 100,000 times to ensure the durability of the hinge design to ensure the Apple product is not compromised. Once testing is complete, Apple will select which model is the best to market and abandon the other. The testing is done only on the shell of the device and not the whole working iPhone. Surprisingly, the folding screen is made from flexible OLED screen panel supplied by Samsung. Since Apple demanded the phone to be still in working condition after 100,000 times fold, which means this phone could last for 13 years assuming average of folding the phone for 20 times a day. I bet nobody would use a phone for more than 10 years. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and see you next time.